Hi, and welcome to the Stellar Tech Talk channel. What if I told you that one of Earth's most fascinating creatures could help humanity explore the stars? Meet the tardigrade, nicknamed the water bear. These microscopic, eight-legged creatures are not just adorable, they're nearly indestructible. And now, researchers are studying them to figure out how they might help humanity thrive in space. In today's video, we're diving deep into how tardigrade research could unlock the secrets to long-term space travel and colonization. Trust me, you won't believe the potential of these tiny space pioneers. So, what are tardigrades? Tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic creatures measuring just 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters. Despite their size, they're some of the most resilient organisms on Earth. Fun fact: tardigrades can survive extreme conditions that would kill most other organisms, like boiling heat, freezing cold, intense radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. Their rounded bodies and lumbering movement make them look like tiny, pudgy bears. But what makes tardigrades so special? One of their most impressive abilities is their ability to survive without water for years by entering a state called cryptobiosis. They shrivel up into a protective shell and become nearly indestructible. Tardigrades can survive doses of radiation that would kill humans 1,000 times over. Their DNA repair mechanisms are so efficient that scientists believe they could help protect astronauts from cosmic radiation. In 2007, tardigrades were sent into space as part of a European Space Agency experiment. They survived exposure to the vacuum and cosmic radiation of space completely unharmed. In recent years, NASA has ramped up its research on tardigrades. Scientists are studying their cryptobiosis state to figure out how it could be applied to humans. Imagine if astronauts could enter a hibernation-like state on long-duration spaceflights. This could dramatically reduce the resources needed for deep space missions. Researchers are isolating the proteins responsible for tardigrades' DNA repair mechanisms. These proteins could be synthesized and used to protect astronauts from radiation exposure during missions to Mars or beyond. That's one exciting possibility, using tardigrade-inspired technology to create radiation-resistant spacesuits. These tardigrade-derived proteins could be embedded into spacesuit fabrics, making them more durable and providing extra protection from solar and cosmic radiation. Some researchers are even exploring whether tardigrade DNA could inspire self-repairing materials that could heal damaged spacesuits or spacecraft automatically. One of the biggest hurdles for space travel is keeping humans alive on journeys that could last years. Tardigrades might just hold the key. They can survive being frozen solid. By studying how they protect their cells and DNA during freezing, scientists hope to develop cryopreservation techniques for humans. The potential benefits include reduced metabolic needs, preservation of muscle and bone mass, and protection against radiation and cosmic rays. As humanity plans for Moon and Mars colonization, tardigrade-inspired technologies could play a huge role. Tardigrades can survive extreme cold and lack of oxygen. If we can understand their adaptations, we could engineer crops and microbes that could thrive in the harsh environments of Mars or other planets. Some researchers are experimenting with inserting tardigrade genes into plants to make them more resilient. These plants could be vital for producing food on other planets. Tardigrade-inspired adaptations could also help humans or robots survive the harsh conditions of asteroid mining. By using tardigrade-derived proteins or materials, mining equipment and personnel could be better protected from space radiation. Tardigrade-like adaptations could ensure that mining operations continue even in the extreme temperature swings of space. Of course, as with any new technology, there are challenges and ethical concerns. Is it ethical to use genetic engineering and insert tardigrade genes into humans or other organisms to enhance survival in space? We still don't fully understand how tardigrade proteins and adaptations will interact with human biology over the long term. Could this boost Homo sapiens into its next iteration? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. The possibilities for tardigrade-inspired space exploration are endless. In the next few decades, we may see everything from tardigrade-infused spacesuits to human hibernation for interstellar travel. NASA, private companies, and universities around the world are continuing to study tardigrades for space exploration applications, and for now they are only scratching the surface of their potential. It's incredible to think that such tiny creatures could hold the key to humanity's future in space and propel us straight into the 22nd century. If you're as excited about the future of space exploration as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.